All right, year 10. So today we are looking at the total surface area of pyramids and cones. So a cone is a solid with a circular base and a curved surface. All right. Think of an ice cream cone. The point is called the apex. The pronumeral S is used to denote the slant height. Now, this is your slant height. This is your vertical height. Make sure you know which is which. Okay. When we are looking at the formula for the total surface area of a cone, we are looking at pi r squared times pi r s, not pi r h. All right. We have the curved surface is a cylinder, not a cylinder, a circle that has been reduced to be pi r squared plus pi r s, where this is the base and this is the curved surface at the top. Okay, so this is your pi r squared. This is your pi r s. A pyramid, by contrast, all right, is a polygon. It consists of straight sides. Okay, it also consists of shapes that we're familiar with, triangles, squares. It doesn't have a specific formula. Okay, but in this particular case, we could say that there are 4 triangles and 1 square, and that would save us some time. Looking at example 1. Find the total surface area to 2 decimal places. Cone with a radius of 2 meters and a slant height of 4.5 meters. We are just going to use the formula of pi r squared plus pi r s. So once again, we have total surface area equals pi r squared plus pi r s. S, your slant height is 4.5 meters. R, and make sure it's R, not your diameter. R, in this case, is 2 meters. So, our formula becomes pi times 2 squared plus pi times 4.5 times 2. I do apologize, I'll do those in the order that they are written. So our radius is 2 and our slant height is 4.5. Now I can simplify this to make life a little bit easier. 2 squared is 4, so this is 4 pi plus 2 times 4.5 is 9. So your 4 pi plus 9 pi equals 13 pi. Now I put that into my CAS calculator. 13 pi to 1 decimal place is 40.8. My unit is meters squared. Now, whenever you are doing total surface area, it's really important to make sure that you don't just put in this answer if you have access to a CAS calculator, but you check it against your original formula. If you're asked to leave it in exact values, then your final answer would be 13 pi. So in this case, we have the 2 decimal places, which is why you always check. So it's not 40.8, it's 40.84 meters squared. Next, we have to find the total surface area of a square-based pyramid of length 25 millimeters and triangular face height of 22 millimeters. All right, draw it first. Square base. That's our square base pyramid. Now, we're going to have 4 triangles and 1 square. So our total surface area is equal to 4 times half times base times height, area of a triangle, plus 1 lot of length times width. Now, I'm going to label my diagram. So the height of my triangle, I'm told, is 22 millimeters. The base, which will be the same as the length of the square, is 25. And of course, my square is just 25 millimeters long. So when I put this in, I'm going to have 4 times a half times my base 25, times my height, which is 22, plus the length times width, which is 25 times 25. At this point, numbers are too large to work with. I could take my time, but trying to cut it down for a video, so I'm going to use my CAS. 4 times a half times 25 times 22. Close the brackets, plus 25 times 25. You'll end up with a final answer of 1,725. 1,725 millimeters squared. On to example 2. We have another composite solid. So once again, I'm going to set up my total surface area formula. Now, a cube has 6 equal faces. So we've got the total surface area of a cube plus the total surface area of a pyramid. And don't forget that then we have to take away the common face. Times 2. Total surface area of a cube is easy. We have 6 identical squares. So it's 6 times length times width. The area of a pyramid, we know we're going to have 4 triangles. So plus 4 times half times base times height. We're going to have 1 square plus length times width. Then our common face, which is this face here, where the pyramid meets the cube, is just going to be length times width. So we're going to minus 2 lots of that. I'll keep it red so you can see. Minus 2 times length times width. All right, straight away I can simplify this. Okay? I have 6 times length plus width, plus length times width, minus 2 times length times width. So I could do my cancellations here. However, if you're uncertain with doing that, you can just proceed with your substitution. 6 times my length of my square is 3. My width is also 3. So 6 times 3 times 3 plus 4 times a half times my base. The base of the triangle is the same as the width of the square. So half times 3 times the height. The height is given here, which is also 3. Plus 3 times 3 minus 2 lots of 3 times 3. Because 6 lots of 9 plus 4 lots, 9 on 2, plus 9 minus 18. Because 54 plus 4 times 9 on 2 is just going to be 18. Plus 9 minus 18. You've got plus 18 minus 18, which will cancel out. 54 plus 9 is going to give us 63 millimeters or centimeters squared. Didn't even have to use a calculator. That's how you find the total surface area of a cone or a pyramid. Good luck.